So create one repository in GitHub. Let me share my screen. My screen is visible, right? Open your GitHub repository.
Firdous, can you please reshare your screen?
Okay.
Yeah, it's visible now, I believe.
Yeah. Is it fine now?
Yes.
Go to your account, click on repository. Okay. Click on new. Type Node.js training. Okay. Make it public. Click on add a new file. Create a repository. Okay. Repository
1 minute.
Get created. Yeah. I will
Firdous.
wait.
Yes.
Yes. I will
Yes,
wait.
I'm
No issue.
asking that after Node.js training repository name, make it public, okay, and then create the repository.
Yeah, I have made it public. Okay. It is public only. See, it's public only, right? You can see this. Okay, I miss S. I think it's okay. A public repository, and you can check this. Okay. So, did anybody had any problem here? He or she can raise his hand. Yeah, Kasto, what's your problem?
I'm sharing my screen.
Yes.
1 minute.
Yeah. Actually, for installation, I'm taking time so that everybody have everything installed in her machine. Else,
Yes, it is installed. But right now in Node.js repositories
it's
look
installed.
like that. Fine?
Yeah, it is done. Yes.
Okay.
Next step, download it and we download this code. For this, if you see this code portion, click here, copy this link. Okay, you can do it through command line also if you don't have anything. I think everybody have a git install in her machine. So what you have to do, you have to create one folder where you will keep your this file. Okay.
Firdous, please share your screen.
I think I am sharing my screen only. Right?
So Firdous, basically after today's session we will push our code to the Git, and every
Correct.
day we are doing this and push our code into the Git.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So we will have our code in Git so that if anybody have any problem, we will all help each other. Okay. Nice.
Okay.
So go to the repository where you want to keep your code, and then type this git clone and the URLs. Okay. I have missed S, so give S here. Okay. Yeah. So run this command, and if you have git installed in your machine, what it will do, it will download this code into your local machine. Okay.
Share the comment, please.
Okay. Let me share. I have missed S in my git repository. Okay. So please check
Firdous,
that spelling.
Can you share the command?
Yeah, I had shared the command git clone. Uh, Git clone your
It's a repo name, git clone, it's a
yeah
repo name here.
yeah git clone your repo name. Okay, and this URL you will get from here. Okay, if you go to your repository, then on top you will see a code. If you click here, it will open like this. Uh, HTTPS will be selected by default. So just click here. It will copy that your repo URL, and you have to paste it after git clone. After git clone, you just click on right click. It will have it. Okay, it will copy it there. So this is our folder. It have just a readme file. Okay, don't worry. Everybody done with this? Anybody have any
No,
problem?
no,
Sir,
no, I have not done this.
Okay,
sir,
okay.
can you repeat from git clone?
Okay. Once you create your repository, you will land in the page something like this. Okay, on top left, on top right, you will see a code option. Click here. It will open a tab. Then uh, it will select the HTTPS option. So just copy this portion and then open your command line. Type git clone, git clone, and then right click here. It will paste that URL. Okay. So
Okay,
git
thank you.
clone your git URL. It will download everything, and the path where you have downloaded your git, if you go there, you will find a new folder with this name. Okay, so once I go there, I can see a new folder with with my git name. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so we are done with this part. Now we are going forward. Okay, next step, what we will do, we will include this git folder.
Firdous, once we
Yeah.
copy this, what do? We copy this https github.com. Then
Okay.
where do we go?
Okay. Open your command line in a path where you want to install it. How can you do that thing? Suppose I want to install it in my user and inside user. If I want to install it here, so I will go here, and on path I will just type cmd. What it will do? It will open. Uh, See, it will open my command line on that part only, path only. Okay, where I want to install it, and then where I want to download it, and then we have to type this git clone, and after that the path which we get, the URLs which we get from this. Okay, paste it, and then it will download uh, this git repository to this path uh, of our machine. Okay.
But where is the part that you have gone ahead and pasted this?
So sorry, can you share your screen? Then it will be better.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I will request you to share your screen because I have entered everything into a laptop and I'm communicating into the phone. So
Okay. Okay. First step, what I did, you have created this portion, correct? Done.
right.
Right. Okay. Fine. Then I went to my machine, to my laptop, and come
Mhm.
to the place where I want to install my Node.js. So suppose I created one folder here,
Okay.
training. Correct. I went there. Uh, I can open the command line and give this path, but shortcut way is in the link in your path, go there, click there, and just type cmd. What it will do, it will open the command line to this path only, to this folder only.
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
press enter. See, it opened directly inside training, correct? And then I will give this command git clone. The last thing which I will append is this url, https url of our github repository.
All right.
Okay, I will just